Hello. There's some big contrasts in the weather across Europe at the moment. High pressure keeps things mostly dry and settled through many central parts of the continent. You can see the clear skies here on the satellite image. Meanwhile, we've got weather fronts to the northwest and the southeast too. We've had some really strong winds, heavy rain and mountain snow across Croatia and Greece. That system now pushing towards Turkey. So still some strong northerly winds across Turkey, some mountain snow as well. And it's still looking quite unsettled for much of Scandinavia. We've got quite a strong jet stream, and that's going to be blowing low pressure, bringing some snowfall across parts of Norway, for instance. But further south, mostly dry and settled for Germany and across the Alps too. Lots of sunshine for Italy and an improvement certainly for Croatia and for Greece, as well as the showers slowly ease away towards the east. Still very showery though, with some heavy mountain snow and strong northerly winds across Turkey on Tuesday. By Wednesday, some showers developing in the central Mediterranean, affecting Sicily and Sardinia as well. And we've still got some strong winds with some rain and also some hill snow pushing across Scandinavia, and for the UK, some cloud and some rain as well. It's quite mild for parts of the UK and France. So both London and Paris keep that mild, cloudy theme over the next few days. Madrid and Rome, dry with a fair amount of sunshine in the forecast too. Meanwhile, for Berlin, there'll be a bit of rain, I think, through the day on Thursday, but a significant improvement in the weather in Athens. Bye-bye. Hello there. We've got a deep area of low pressure in the eastern Mediterranean, causing some pretty stormy weather for the likes of Turkey. That'll push towards the Middle East over the next couple of days too. Meanwhile, across Africa, the satellite image shows we've had areas of cloud in the east. A few heavy showers have been continuing. More of those heavy downpours at times over the next few days for the likes of northern Mozambique, but also further south for eastern South Africa, some heavy rain developing here through the day on Tuesday. Should be drier though in the west towards Cape Town. Across North Africa, quite a cool northerly wind, so temperatures below average across the Sahara. Could be some blowing dust around the Sahel region, for instance. Cape Town and Dakar both look largely dry and sunny over the next 5 days or so. There will be some fairly heavy rain at times for Johannesburg and some showers in Nairobi too. Cairo, cool for the time of year, just 15 degrees or so through the middle part of this week. In Kinshasa, plenty of heavy showers and the odd thunderstorm too. Here's all the rain and the mountain snow that we've got across parts of Turkey. That'll push into Syria later on Tuesday as well. For Tuesday, there were actually quite a lot of dry, settled weather right across much of the Gulf. The recent showers that we've seen largely fading away towards the southeast. The breeze picking up from the northwest across the Gulf, and some blustery conditions through central Saudi Arabia. We're going to be seeing some rain arriving in Doha and in Dubai towards the end of the week. Should stay dry for Riyadh and Kuwait. Bye-bye. Hello, let's take a look at the weather across Central America and South America. First off, the satellite image across South America shows this line of cloud which has been producing some heavy bursts of rain across central parts of Argentina, pushing northwards towards Uruguay as well. As we head through the day on Monday, that's going to clear away into the Atlantic, so an improving picture for Uruguay and central Argentina as well. We've had a lot of heavy rain recently for the east of Brazil. Still a few showers here, but not as frequent or as heavy as they have been. And actually lots of dry, settled weather further north across the continent for Colombia, Venezuela and Guyana as well. Central and eastern parts of Brazil still seeing some showers, but we should lose the heaviest of the downpours. Heading our way further south, mostly dry across Uruguay, central parts of Argentina too, but it's turning fairly unsettled with some rain and mountain snow across the far south of Argentina and Chile. Here's the outlook for the next 5 days or so, and you can see in both Rio de Janeiro and Buenos Aires we're expecting an area of rain and thunderstorms to push in on Thursday. Santiago and Bogota should stay largely dry. To Mexico, some warm sunshine through many areas through the day on Monday, but there'll be a few showers further south down towards Guatemala, Honduras and also for Nicaragua as well. 1 or 2 showers lingering for the Caribbean across parts of Cuba, for instance, but they should clear away. So 1 or 2 showers affecting Havana for a time on Tuesday, but drier for the rest of the week, and plenty of sunshine in Kingston, San Salvador and San Jose. Bye-bye. Hello there. We've got some generally dry, settled weather across many southern and central parts of North America, with a big area of high pressure holding on here. Meanwhile, a couple of areas of low pressure further north. We've got one bringing some snow flurries to parts of Ontario and Quebec, and this area of low pressure pushing in from the Pacific. It's been very unsettled recently for the likes of British Columbia, towards Washington State too, and there's more rain and also mountain snow pushing in here. It's a little bit cooler than it has been for central areas, including Colorado, for instance, where temperatures were pretty warm during the weekend, so things are here a little bit cooler as we start the new working week. Now we have got this area of low pressure moving in. That's going to be bringing some rain around coastal parts of British Columbia, quickly turning to snowfall over the mountains. In fact, some places over the mountains close to Vancouver will have seen about 300 centimetres of snow in just a few days. It has been very unsettled. Drier down towards California though. More rain for Vancouver and for Seattle through the day on Tuesday, but that should clear, leaving a drier but also colder day for Wednesday. Should be dry also for San Francisco and Los Angeles. Meanwhile, a few snow flurries affecting Montreal through the day on Monday, but head further south and a largely dry, settled spell in the weather, anywhere from New York right down towards Orlando. We've got a fair bit of sunshine around, the clouds slowly clearing away from southern Florida. Many areas in the east look dry and settled over the next few days. It's turning warmer in Miami. Bye-bye. Hello, let's take a look at the weather across Central and South Asia now. We'll start with the satellite image, which shows that we've had this area of cloud that's been sitting across the Himalayas. Northern parts of India have already seen some heavy snowfall over the mountains, as has Nepal and northern Pakistan as well. This region will be starting to ease, the heavy rain and mountain snow just dissipating over the next few days, but it's still lingering into Tuesday. Further south across India, lots of dry weather on the cards, but with the winds coming in from the Bay of Bengal, northeasterly breeze will blow a few showers into parts of Andhra Pradesh, towards Sri Lanka as well. Meanwhile, heading our way northwest into Central Asia, and it's turning quite cold for Kazakhstan. Temperatures on the dip at the moment. A drier story for much of Turkmenistan, a little bit milder than it has been over recent days, but still some snow lingering over the mountains of Afghanistan, northern Pakistan, into Nepal and northern India as well. A few showers heading towards New Delhi. But down the west coast of India, things looking dry and sunny. Lots of dry, settled weather towards Mali too. Across Sri Lanka, we'll catch the odd shower, I think, on Tuesday. Could see one or two heavier ones for Colombo. But for West Bengal and Bangladesh, things are looking dry and settled. Mumbai, Dhaka and also Islamabad all looking dry over the next 5 days or so. In Colombo, we will have a few showers, perhaps even the odd thunderstorm during the day on Friday. Tashkent turns a little bit milder over the next 5 days or so. Showers clear from New Delhi. Bye-bye. Hello. Over the past couple of days, we've had something of a brief respite with some slightly cooler air moving in across southeastern parts of Australia. You can see the yellow colours here indicating the cooler conditions, but those temperatures once again are going to be building in the east over the next few days, but it won't be as hot as it has been recently. There's also a tropical cyclone, Cyclone Blake, which is close to the Kimberley coast. It's already brought 150 millimetres of rain. It's going to bring more wet weather and strong winds as well. For New Zealand, it's still rather cool for the time of year. Temperatures in the mid to high teens. Most places dry, perhaps one or two light showers across the South Island. Now for Sydney and for Melbourne, it's warming up a little bit for a time later this week, but it does look like eventually some cooler conditions return to end the week, and there will be a few showers at times for Canberra too. On the satellite image, you can see that Cyclone Blake there, and you can also see that we've had a lot of cloud and heavy rain across Indonesia. There's been flooding in Jakarta, and there's more heavy showers to come. This is an active front that's bringing some rain and some snow on its northern edge across the northeast of China on Tuesday, pushing also across South Korea and into Japan, bringing quite a bit of wet weather there. Largely dry for the likes of Hong Kong, down towards Vietnam and Thailand too, but some heavy showers still for Indonesia, particularly towards Java, the monsoon really getting going at this time of year. There'll be some heavy showers and thunderstorms in Osaka for the next few days, a wet few days for Seoul. It looks drier later in the week. Bye-bye.